Oh, what are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait, don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm Terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
With your restraints securely fastened, keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you.
Alrighty, well, if it's your first time, so it's not the last.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, the statue is still broken, so it's gonna be a rough ride. Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Please gather your personal belongings.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.